What is up, y'all boys? It is Ride with G back with the Sunset M340. I'm coming at y'all with another video. As y'all know, in my last video, we got a pair of Supra wheels. We got the Visconti Flex Fuel Kit. We got a little catch can. Also, in my last video, one of my last videos, we did these tail lights. As you can see, the clear tails, controversial mod. But the point of today's video is the Supra wheels. So as y'all know, I picked up a set of Supra wheels, the two-tone ones with the chrome and the black. Basically, I wanted to get them painted all black because I didn't like the two-tone look. And I got quoted by a couple shops and they wanted $600 to paint just the chrome pieces on the wheels, 5 spokes and the tiny little lip. So I said, fuck that. We ended up sanding the wheels down, masking them off, and now today we are gonna paint them because I said $600 is crazy to get a set of wheels just coated. I can see if it was the whole wheel for 4 wheels, you know, but like literally 5 spokes is gonna cost $600. It's crazy to me. So I was like, I'll do it myself. So as you can see, we got the wheels here all sanded down, prep for paint. So we gonna set up and this is gonna be a painting video. So this is basically saving myself probably $550 because it was like $50 in sanding, paint, materials, all that. So yeah, we gonna get straight into it. So I'm setting up these crappy little tables so we can put the wheels up here to paint. I'm gonna show you all the wheels real quick. Here go my girl and the Charlie. So here the wheels go. Ended up hitting them with 320 grit, and then I hit them with 220 grit. So they're kind of like a rough, you know, thing. And then I wiped them all down, make sure all the dust was off. But as you can see, they're pretty sanded. I think the paint will stick fine. And then obviously we sanded this whole entire lip, and then we masked all the black off because the OEM Toyota black, I didn't really want to like repaint these whole wheels black. I mean, I could have done that, but I didn't really want to. So here the wheels go, got them all up here, ready to paint. So I already cleaned these wheels from yesterday, but they've been sitting overnight, so I'm just gonna make sure to wipe off any dust off them. I mean, this isn't a tutorial by any means, but when you paint and shit, make sure it's clean is most things. So I'm just wiping it with a little bit of alcohol, making sure it's completely clean. All right, so we got them all masked off, and I put cards all around them so I don't paint the tires. Probably just gonna do these 2 tonight because I don't have too much daylight, so I'm not gonna mask these off and do all the cards if I'm just gonna have to put them up. So we're just gonna work on these 2 and then see how far we get. We've done 2 coats on them so far. That's what they're looking like. Probably do 1 more and then some clear coats, and then we'll be done. But I don't know if we got enough daylight left, so probably be tomorrow. So as y'all can see, it's the next day, sunny. This is the 3rd coat on the wheels. As you can see, I think they look pretty good. And then here's the 3rd coat on this one, and then I still got to do those ones in there with the 3rd coat. And then I'm probably gonna put like 2 or 3 coats of clear, and then we're gonna be done, wait for them to dry, and then we'll take the paint off and see what they look like. So we got the wheels all coated. They're now clear coated. I think they look pretty good, pretty glossy. I think they should match the OEM pretty good. As y'all can see, it's pretty fucking shiny, but I'm pretty happy with it for a $50 paint job. Like I said, we're gonna see how it looks once we take all the tape off. I think it's gonna look great. But if it doesn't, we can always just do the metal stripping and chrome them out. But I just wanted to try this because I'm trying to spend that $600 on a fucking custom tune and like more go fast parts. So I don't really want to spend it on paint. So we gonna see how it goes. But I'm digging how they look right now. So probably we'll cut so when they're done and the tape's off. Alright, it is now day 3. We put about 3 clear coats on these wheels now. As y'all can see, I think they look pretty good, pretty glossy. Got all the tape off now. They're not perfect. I ain't gonna get y'all too close. I mean, they're not perfect, but I say for a 20, it was about 20 to, no, it's about $30 in materials versus $600 to get those 5 spokes and the lip powder coated. I said they look pretty good. Now it's time to put them on the car, swap the caps to the BMW caps, and that'll be about it. But I'm pretty happy with the amount of money I spent. As I said, these are not gonna be the permanent wheels for the car. It's just a setup for now so I can get some traction because those 255s right here, just not cutting it. And these will fit like a 285. Some people go wider, but I'll probably put a 285 on them. And yeah, they'll be good for now. And then in the future, we'll probably go get some HREs or some 3-piece wheels or something like that. But this is a setup for now. Can't decide whether I'm gonna mount the wheels tonight or wait till tomorrow, but I guess y'all see if this video ends or if it keeps going.